8, sección 13, vamos por Cuenta historias en una fogata, lección 2 de
If you
6.
do something silently, you do it without making noise.
Si tú haces algo de silencio, tú harás esto sin hacer ningún ruido. Quietly.
The lady was silently coming towards us.
La señora venía silenciosamente hacia nosotros.
Someone or something was silently following them in the shadows.
Alguien o alguna cosa estuvo en silencio siguiéndonos en las sombras. Vamos, esto absolutamente.
When you're in total darkness, you can't see anything because there's no light.
Cuando estás en total oscuridad, tú no puedes ver ninguna cosa porque no hay luz. The travelers would have had to walk in total darkness if the
Moon.
no ha estado tan bright.
Bright.
If you're really looking forward to going to bed, you might say, I'm dying to go to bed.
Tengo que ir a dying. Ir a la cama.
I'm dying to hear what happened. Dying.
I'm dying to. Yo estoy muriendo de escuchar qué pasó después de eso. Me muero por qué sucedió.
I'm dying to know how the story ends.
I'm dying.
2.
No.
No, I'm dying to know how the story ends. Ends.
We're all dying to know.
We are all dying to know.
In legends, a werewolf is a human who becomes a wolf when there's a full moon.
La leyenda es un werewolf. It's a human who becomes a wolf. Full moon. Werewolf. Un hombre lobo. Werewolf.
Maybe it was a werewolf.
Maybe it. Tal vez es un
Werewolf.
hombre lobo.
Hidden in the darkness, there was a terrible creature with huge teeth.
Escondiéndose en la oscuridad hubo una terrible criatura con dientes enormes. Era un hombre lobo, ¿no es verdad?
It was slowly getting dark.
We walked so fast that we were practically running.
We walked so fast that we were practically running.
He was desperately trying to escape.
He was desperately trying to escape.
If you're really looking forward to going to bed, you might say, I'm dying to go to bed.
I can't wait to.
It was slowly getting dark.